our daily routine. Okay, children, every day you have to get up early, do your regular work like cleaning up yourself. You have to take your own initiative. Means all are grown up children. So what you have to do? You have to take your own initiative. In the sense, you have to do your work by your own. You can brush your teeth by your own self, no? Like straight and straight, up and down, in and out. Like that you can do, no? And you have to clean your tongue. Daily you have to take the bath and wash your hands before and after eating. Then what? While going outside you have to wear the mask. After coming home back you have to sanitize your hands. Then remove your mask carefully and you have to change your dress and wash your hands and feet and all. Correct, children? This is our daily routine. Very good. Hope all had your breakfast. Yes. Shall we move to our online class? Yes. Okay. Today we are going to start with our language. Yesterday what we learned? The capital letters from A to Z. We learned, no, yesterday again what we did? A to Z. A, B, C, D. Like that we learned the uppercase, capital letter or the big letters. Today we are going to learn. Okay, first I'll write the capital letter. What we learned yesterday. A. Yes. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z. Yes? This is capital letter. What we learned yesterday. I gave the homework also, no? To write it 2 times. Have you all done, children? Yes, you have done the homework, right? Now, today we learn the small letter of the same thing. Okay? It's nothing but a lower case. Okay? Today we are learning the lower case. What are those? The alphabets. Lower case of alphabets. Lower case. Okay? First, we will start with A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, O P Q R S T U V W X X Y, and the last one is Z. Can you see, children? This is the lowercase, small letters. Okay, what is the difference between the small letter and big letter? Yes, in the big letter we will use 4 lines. Red to red, always red to red only we will use. Correct, no? Here in small letter we will try to write only in the 2 lines. Most of the cases we will write in 2 lines. Okay? Only in few things like K, M, N, O, W. In these cases we will D. In these cases we will use the 3 lines. Okay? This is the difference between the uppercase and the lowercase. Okay, in the lowercase we will use only the 2 lines. That too most of are in the blue line, children. Okay? Okay, no? You understood what is this? This is the lowercase. Okay, children, yesterday you learned the uppercase. Today we learn the lowercase. What is the homework for today? What is the homework for today? Yes, as I told you, you have to take the 4-line book and you have to practice the small letters in the 4-line book. What you have to do? You have to write the date. Then date. Then you have to write the lowercase in 4 lines book. Okay? Okay, children? You do know as of today in the 4 lines book? Okay. Now we will move to EVS class. Okay? It's our general knowledge class. Yesterday what we learned? Me and around me. It is nothing but about ourselves. It is about me. We learned about me. Who am I? What is my name? How old I am? What is my birth date? And how I will express myself means happy, sad, then crying, hungry, emotions. That are all called emotions. It's about me. What we learned yesterday? About me. What are those? What we learned yesterday? We learned what is your name? What is your name? Next one. How old are you? Okay. The third one. What is the Okay. The fifth one, how do you feel? Yesterday we thought, no? We learned, no, these things. What is your name? My name is Shweta. What is your name? Then, second one, how old are you? I will not tell my old. Okay, what is your old? You are? I am 5 years, 4 years, or 6 years, like that you have to tell. Okay? Who are you? I am a girl. Who are you? That you have to tell. Who are you? What is your birthday? My birthday is so and so. Your birthday is so and so. Example, if you are born in January, you have to tell my birthday is 8 Jan or 10 February. Like that you have to tell. Okay? How do you feel? At present, I am feeling very happy because I am teaching the online class. How you are feeling? You are feeling like hungry. You are feeling like sleepy. Like that. That is your expression at that time. Okay, children? Today, the continuing part is about me. We will go what you will do. The sixth question is what you will do. What you do. Yes, tell me what you do. What you do? What you are doing now? Yes, sitting. I am standing. Some children are sleeping. Sitting, standing, sleeping. Some are playing. Some are running. Walking. Drawing. Etc. So many work we will do. Skipping, swimming, playing. All these things. What are you doing, miss? What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you do? What you do? What are you doing? Sitting, standing, sleeping, playing, running, walking, and drawing. At present, I am teaching. Yes, Shweta ma'am is teaching. I am doing my action. Then what are these words means? What are these? Yes, these are our action words. What are these? Action words. What are these? Action words. Action means ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ action words. This is also part of us. Right now, if you are playing only, Mama will tell example. Suyog means Suyog is playing. Suyog is running. Suyog is walking to room. Suyog is sleeping on the bed. What is Suyog doing? I am telling one example, okay? I am taking Suyog as an example and I am telling what is Suyog is doing at that time. Suyog is eating his food. That like that, what we will tell with their name, what that person is doing, that is called the action words. Okay, this is also related to us only. Without us, we can't do no. Like the chalkpiece cannot stand, the chalkpiece cannot run. Yes, no, it is not the chalkpiece. It's a person. So it also comes under about me. Okay. The next one is the seventh one will be your favorites. What is your favorites? What is your favorites? Tell me, what is your favorites? Yes, your favorite movie, your favorite food, favorite game. Yes, then favorite book, favorite place. Yes, I know. All we like to go to your grandparents' place, no? That is your favorite place? Yes. Movie, food, game, book, place. Then your favorite color. Then what? Favorite color. Then favorite fruit, etc. There will be so much of favorites. Yes, no? Like movie, food, game, book, place, colors and fruits, etc. As of today, what we learn? These are your favorites. Okay? Now, about us, what we learn? What is your favorite name? How old are you? Who are you? What is your birth date? How do you feel at that time? Okay? Then what do you do? Or what you do? What you do? I am running. Or I do painting. Like that. It's my action things. Action means what we are doing at that time. Okay? This is action. Then the seventh one will come to our favorites. What is their favorites? Yes, watching a favorite movie like Jungle Book or Lion King. Your favorite food. It may be anything. Okay? The favorite game. Book. Your favorite book. What is your favorite? Which is your favorite place? Which is your favorite color? And which is your favorite fruit? Okay, children. Yesterday I gave you one homework, right? In the EVS, in the 4 lines book, you have to paste your old photo when you are soaring and the present photo. Then I gave you 2 questions, right? What were they? What is your name? Then I gave you who are you, right? Today what you have to do? You have to write homework. Yesterday I gave you 2 questions, right? What is your name? Who are you? Okay. Then the third question. This is today's homework. You have to do today. Okay. Who are you? How old are you? Okay. I am dash years. That you have to write. Okay. This is I am a girl or boy. My name is so and so. And the fourth question you have to write. What is your birthday? Or when is your birthday? That also you can write. Okay. Then the last one, you have to give me the 5 your favorite things. Your favorites. to give? Like you write color and write the color name. Example, I am giving, mine is blue. Like that. 5 things you have to give. Okay, A, B, C. Like that you have to give your favorite 5 things. Whatever it may be. Okay, children? Take the EVS 4 lines book and you have to write the date, day and all about me. These 5 questions in that. With that you have to take the EVS workbook. You all have no EVS workbook. In that, page number 6. EVS workbook. Page 6. Okay. In that, you have to color the smileys and trace and draw the new smiley. Okay, the same thing you have to do. Okay, children, you all complete and keep it ready. Once we will meet now, that time you have to show me your homework. Okay, children, we will move to next class. Now we will move to maths class. Okay. Yesterday what we learned in the maths division, we will do one revision. That is, the shape consists of slipping line, standing line, half curve, long curve, then slanting lines. Yes, no children? Yesterday we learned some shapes. Which shape is this? Circle. Circle is a long curve. Circle is a long curve. Okay. Then next it is square. The square is of 4 corners and 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. All the sides are same. All the sides are same. It is of 2 slipping line and 2 standing line. Yes, no children? 2 slipping line and 2 standing line. Next, we will go to triangle. Triangle is of 3 sides. Triangle is of 3 sides. 2 slanting line and 1 slipping line. 2 slanting line and 1 slipping line. All the 3 sides are same. The last one is rectangle. The last one is rectangle. Here it is also having 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. But only the opposite sides will be same. Here and here it will be same, and here and here it will be same. Here it will be same. Okay, thus rectangle may be vertical or horizontal. Both are rectangles only. With that, we learn some objects. Right? What are those objects? Circle. Which objects are related to circle? That is sun and moon. Our earth is also in circle. Then wall clocks, biscuits, then your plates. If you cut a lemon or orange, it will be in a circle shape. Okay, next square. What are those squares? Carom board, then notice board, then what? Wall clock also. Yes. Next we will move to triangle. Triangle, ice cream cone, birthday can, then a cut piece of pizza and the cut piece of cheese also in a triangle shape. A rectangle. What are those? It's your LED TV, your mobile, and of course our blackboard is also rectangle. rectangle. Okay. Now we will move to the next part. Okay. In the maths today we are going to learn something new thing. Okay. What do you mean by preposition? Do you know what is that? Preposition. Have you heard that name? Prepositions. Okay. See what I am doing. I am standing in front of the board. Okay. I am standing in front of the board. Back to me, what is there? Back to me, I am having the blackboard. To my friend, what is that? Yes, I am talking to you all because you all are in front to me. And left to me, what is that? Something. Okay, right to me, one wall is there. Yes, no? Shweta ma'am is standing here, but she is standing in front of the front to her something is there, back to her something is there, right to her something is there, and left to her something is there. What are these? Yes, I am standing in one position. Okay, I am standing in one position. Okay, this is my position. Where I am standing is one position. Around me, so many places are there. Yes, no? Around me, everything is there. Front to me, back to me, side to me, and side to me. These all are next to my place. Correct, no? So, position, pre, cut it off, position. Do you all understood? What is this? I am in one position. Okay? Next to me, back to me, and front to me. These are all called pre, before, or next. These are called preposition. Okay? Preposition. Example, if you are sitting and watching my online video. So, in front of you, what will be there? Yes, mobile. Okay, if you are sitting next to the wall means back to you, what will be there? Yes, the wall. If you are writing the notes, below you, what will be there? The book and the pencil. If your mama is guiding to you, then she will be next to you. Either in the right side, either in the left side. Correct, no children? Just imagine yourself, then you come to know what is that preposition. Okay? Yes. I will give you some examples for this. Preposition means first we will learn only two things. That is above below. What is this above and below? What is this above and below? Yes. What is this? I will show you once again. For example, if I am taking the book, okay? I am taking the book and I am using one duster. Okay, just think these two are the things what we are using as an example. Okay, think that the book is in this position. Okay, the book is in this position. The duster is pre means it may go anywhere. Okay, see, I am keeping duster on the book. Okay, now tell me, where is the duster? Keeping the book as a position, you tell me where is the duster? It is above the book. Okay, the duster is above the book. Right? Now, the same thing, just look here. If I am keeping here below, what you will tell? The duster is below the book. We should not change the position of the book. Only we are changing the position of the duster. Where is the duster now? It is below the book. Now, where is the duster now? It is above the book. We should not change the position of the book. Only the position of the duster is changing. Only the place of the duster is changing. This is, if the duster is above, it is above the book. If the duster is down, it is below the book. Above and below. Okay, children? Like this. Some other are there. Okay. What are the position words? Okay, I'll tell you. One is in, inside, places. This is places. Outside, between, above, below, inside, outside, between, above, below, then behind, then what? In front of. Okay, I am taking one example for this. Okay, I am taking one box and the ball. I am taking one bowl. Okay, I am taking one bowl and one fish. Okay, this is the bowl. Imagine this is one bowl. There is one fish. First is inside. Where should be the fish? Yes, no, it is inside the bowl. Okay, next is outside. Outside. I know, children, if you keep the fish outside, it will die. For example, I am showing you. Okay, it is outside the bowl. Between. Imagine that you have two bowls. This is between two bowls. Okay, above. Above the bowl. Below. This is below the bowl. Behind. Where is the fish? Behind. Okay. Then in front of. In front of means in front of this. Okay, in front of the bowl. Okay, the below and in front of it is looking like a same, but it is not same. Okay, below means it will be under, and front of means it will be in front of that. Okay, the places are inside, outside, between, above, below, behind, and in front of. Okay, these are all called proportions It is inside, outside, between, above, below, behind. Behind you can't see, and in front of you can see. In front of the bowl. Only the places of the fish is changing. The bowl is same like. Okay. These are all called preposition. Okay, children. Today I am giving one homework to you. It is not a homework. It is a fun activity. At home you have to do one fun activity. This is for your fine motor skill. Okay. At home you take one lemon or any orange or apple and take claws. Claws means what? Lavanga. That you take, just you pierce. Andre adanna chuchi, adar mele chuchi, adanna ನೀವು shape ಮಾಡಿ. Anything. You have that app. Just look into that. Just you do it. It will give a nice fragrance to home also. Then you take one photo and keep it ready. Okay? Okay, children. Bye.